It might replay. There you go. Oh. Yo, he really had human remains.
This is insane. Yo, he had them like trophies. Oh my god. He got a chair like this so he can admire these things. They in cabinets. My mother got a cabinet. Oh, what the fuck? Yo. Again.
I don't know if I could show this on YouTube. I gotta see. But I don't usually do too much editing, but I'm gonna have to probably edit this part out, maybe. And then y'all will go over to my my Instagram page, and y'all will see it down at the bottom here. Yo, down at the bottom. Yo. This is crazy. Let's see what these people saying here.
I didn't know.
Yeah, see how close that was? That's where your great-grandfather was buried.
I didn't know that. Wow, see, this is crazy. I did not know all this. This is kind of like...
You better not have my grandpa.
Whoa, y'all. This is him here.